How to apply for a community certificate in Tamil Nadu.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of applying for a community certificate in Tamil Nadu. The community certificate is an essential document in Tamil Nadu that verifies the community you belong to. This video will guide you through each step of the application process.
What is a community certificate?
A community certificate, also known as a caste certificate, is issued by the government to individuals belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, or other backward classes. This certificate helps eligible individuals to avail themselves of certain benefits like reservations in education, scholarships, and certain government jobs.
What documents are needed?
Before you begin the application process, make sure you have the following documents. 1. Proof of address. Any government-issued document that verifies your address, such as an Aadhaar card or passport. 2. Proof of identity. A government-issued identity document like Aadhaar card, voter ID, or passport. 3. Birth certificate. Your birth certificate is necessary to verify your age. 4. Parents' community certificate. A community certificate of your father, mother for reference. Remember, all these documents should be scanned and ready for upload.
How to apply?
The government of Tamil Nadu has simplified this process by digitizing it. To apply for a community certificate, follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the official Tamil Nadu e-district website. Step 2. Register on the website if you haven't done so already. Step 3. After successful registration, log in with your credentials. Step 4. Look for the option, Apply for Community Certificate, on the portal. Step 5. Fill out the application form accurately with all necessary details. Step 6. Upload the scanned copies of all necessary documents. Step 7. Review the application and then submit. Step 8. After submission, you will receive an application number for tracking purposes. Remember, it's important to fill out the application form accurately and upload the correct documents to avoid delays or rejection of your application.
What happens after application?
Once you have submitted your application, it will be processed by the relevant government office. The status of your application can be tracked using the application number you received after submission. Upon successful verification, your community certificate will be issued and can be downloaded from the website. And that's it, folks. This is how you can apply for a community certificate in Tamil Nadu. The process is straightforward, but remember to be patient as it might take some time for the government to process your application. We hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.